Good morning, dear students. Today we will start exercise 9D. Exercise 9D is also about profit and loss. So I hope the previous exercises are clear for everyone. If any one of you are facing any kind of problem, please let me know in my inbox. Since this is not a live class or not a face-to-face class, so I can't understand from here if you are getting the questions or not. So please try to interact with me. If you are not getting in any point or any questions or you have any kind of doubt, then please ask me and try to solve the remaining questions also. So let's start now exercise 9D. This is also about profit and loss. So till now we discussed about profit and loss. That is cost price. What is cost price? Cost price is the price at which the shopkeeper buy the item for his shop. Next one is selling price. So selling price means at the price which the shopkeeper sells the item to the customer. And what was the formula for profit? Profit means what? Profit means revenue. Profit means benefits of the shopkeeper. When it will be beneficial for the shopkeeper, when he will bought the item at lower price but will sell the item at higher price, then it will be beneficial for him because some amount of money will be with him, that means, so that is the profit. So to obtain profit, selling price should be more than cost price, and formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. But if due to some reason, due to some incident, cost price is more as compared to the selling price, that means he bought the items at some higher price, but due to some unwanted events or due to some problem, he need to sell this at lower price. That means what? Some amount of money will be wasted from the shopkeeper, so it will be loss. In case of loss, cost price will be more. Cost price will be more, selling price will be less. So what is the formula for loss? Cost price minus selling price. Profit and loss, nothing but you will subtract the lower number from the higher number. Okay, so I think this is clear for everyone. So now start from question number 1. A man bought an article for rupees 25 and sold it for rupees 40. Again see, bought, that means what? Buying, that means cost price. So cost price is for the first this is 25 rupees 25 and sold it for rupees 40. Another man bought an article for rupees 50 and sold it for rupees 65. Here in this question, first you will try to understand the question, what is said in the question. Here information about two men is given. First man bought an article for rupees 25 and sold it for rupees 40. Next, for the second person, second man, he bought an article for rupees 50 and sold it for rupees 65. What rate of profit is greater and by what percent? So first we need to calculate profit or loss for the both person, for the both men separately. See here, for the first man, what is cost price? Cost price means buying price, and here cost price is rupees 25. Rupees 25, I am writing this simply from the question. And sold it, that means what? Selling price. So SP rupees 40. Now see, this information is given to us in the question. CP rupees 25, SP or selling price rupees 40. Now tell me 25 is more or 40 is more. In this case 40 is more than 25. 40 is greater than 25. That means selling price is more. If selling price is more, that means profit. Therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So we will subtract the smaller number from the greater one. So rupees 40 minus rupees 25. So 40 minus 25, 0. That means 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1, rupees 15. For the first man, profit earning is rupees 15. Now for the second man. See, for the second man, what information is given to us? Bought an article for rupees 50. That means here cost price is rupees 50 and sold it for rupees 65. Sold it, that means what? Selling price. So selling price, right? This is given to us directly in the question. We are writing simply from the question. Now in this case also, selling price is more than cost price. That means what? Here also profit. Profit will be equal to selling price minus cost price. See, 65 minus 50. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Now see, in the both case, we are getting profit is equal to rupees 15. So we cannot say na which men earn higher profit. That means profit amount is same. But what is asked in the question? Rate of profit. Rate of profit, that means profit percent. Since value of profit is same, but please don't get confused in between profit and profit percent. Okay, profit can be same, but profit percent can be different. So we need to calculate profit percent for both the case. For first case, profit percent. Profit percent. What was another name of profit percent or profit? Gain or gain percent. If in the question it is written as gain, then please don't get confused in between profit and gain. Profit mean gain. Okay. So what was the formula for profit percent? In the last class we discussed, and we solved some questions from that topic also. Profit percents mean profit divided by cost price into 100. Is it clear for everyone? This is a formula we get in the last class. So simply by putting the values in this formula, we can obtain profit percent. Now here, what is profit? 15. What is cost price? 25 into 100. Now see, now we need to simplify. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 60, and 25 fours are 100, and 15 fours are 60%. I think this is clear for everyone. We are simply putting the values in this formula, and after simplification we are getting it as 60%. Now for this case, for second case, profit percent, formula will be same. Profit is also same in the both case. Then which is different in both case? Cost price. In first case, cost price is rupees 25. In the second case, cost price is rupees 50. That means here profit will be again 15. Cost price will be 50 into 100. Now see, 50 ones are 50. 50 twos are 100. 15 twos are 13%. Now see, now we are getting to different profit percent. For the first man, profit percent or gain percent is 60%. For the second man, profit percent or gain percent is 30%. Now we can say which is more. Simply say which is more, 60% is more or 30% is more. Obviously 60% is more, na? So again see the question, what is asked? What rate of profit is greater and by what percent? That means profit of rate of profit of first person or first man is greater. Therefore, rate of profit of first man is greater. By how much greater? Which is greater? 60% is greater and 30% is smaller, na? So we'll simply subtract 60% minus 30%. 60 minus 30, 30% by 30%. It is greater by 30%. I think this question is clear for everyone. If you are not getting anywhere, that means in any point, please let me know in my inbox. Okay. So here we are getting rate of profit. See, though profit of in the both case was same, but profit percent is different. So is it clear for everyone? Next, 2, 3 same kind of question. Next question number 4. Peter bought an article for rupees 1215. Again see, bought, that means what? Buying price or cost price is given, and spent rupees 35 on its transportation. See, transportation cost. What was transportation cost? Additional charges or overhead charges. And we know that overhead charges, any kind of overhead charges, always added to cost price. Therefore, cost price is 1215 and transportation cost is rupees 35. Therefore, total cost price will get this plus this. Na? Next, at what price should he sell the article to gain 16%? Again, see, gain 16%. Gain means profit. 16%. Since it is given in terms of percent, that means profit percent is given to us, not the profit. At what price should he sell the article? That means selling price we need to calculate. So first write what is given to us. To solve any kind of this question, always first write what is given to us. What is given? Cost price is rupees 1215 and transportation cost. See, I am simply writing the information from the question. Cost price is 1215, transportation cost rupees 35. Therefore, total cost price. So simply adding this to 1215 and 35. 5 plus 5, 10, remainder 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and 1, 2. So, total cost price is. Now, see what is given. Gain percent or profit percent is given as 16%. What is the meaning of gain percent? Gain percent means profit. Profit means selling price will be more, cost price will be less. 16%. What is the meaning of the 16%? 16 by 100. Is it clear? 16% means 16 by 100. Out of 100, 16. That means if cost price was 100, out of 100, profit is 16. If cost price is 100, profit is 16. Therefore, selling price will be, selling price in case of profit is more as compared to cost price. Therefore, selling price will be 116. 100 cost price plus profit 16. That means selling price will be 116. 16%. Whenever it is written in terms of percent, always compare cost price is equal to 100. Always compare with cost price is equal 100. Whenever profit or gain or loss is given to you in terms of percent, always compare in terms of 100. That means what? If when cost price is 100, selling price is 116. I think this is clear for everyone, na? Because out of 100, 16 is profit. Profit means selling price is more. So selling price will be more than cost price. So if cost price is 100, 16 is profit. Selling price will be 100 plus 16, 116. That means when cost price is 100, selling price will be 116, right, rupees. That means what? Now we can compare with 1. Therefore, when cost price is 1, then selling price will be 116 by 100. This type of question we solve in exercise 9C also and in unitary method also. If for multiple information about multiple number is given, to obtain the information for unit number, we will divide. Again, to obtain information for higher number or multiple number, we will multiply. Same concept here only. When cost price is 100, selling price is 116. Again, tell me why we are writing cost price first and selling price in the letter. Because cost price is known to us, na? We have calculated cost price, but we need to calculate selling price. We don't know the selling price for that particular amount of cost price. Therefore we are writing cost price first. So when cost price 1, selling price is 116 by 100. I think this is clear for everyone. Rupees 1. Okay. Now when cost price is, what we get there, rupees 1250, then selling price will be 116 into 100 into 1250. Now see, this is clear or not? Same we solved in the unitary method also, in exercise 9C also, huh? So when you simplify this, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125 and 0. Next, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 10, remainder will be 3, 36, 4 9s are 36. So we are getting 29 into 50. So 29 into 5, we are getting here answer rupees 1450. Therefore our answer will be rupees 1450. You need to sell the item at rupees 1450 to gain. Now next, moving to question number 6. Sarita bought eggs at rupees 8.40 a dozen. What is the meaning of 1 dozen? 1 dozen is equal to 12 numbers. So first write what is given to us. What is the meaning of bought? Bought means buying price or cost price. So that means cost price is given. Therefore cost price of 1 dozen eggs is equal to rupees 8.40. It is given to us. Now can we write this line as cost price of 12 eggs? Yes, because 1 dozen mean 12 eggs. Therefore cost price of 12 eggs is equal to rupees 8.40. Why we can write this line? Because 1 dozen mean 12 numbers. That's why, na? Now see, if cost price of 12 eggs is equal to rupees 8.40, what will be the cost price of 1 egg? How we can calculate this? Therefore cost price of 1 egg, what we need to do here? Cost price or information about multiple number is given when we need to find this for unit item. What we need to do? Unitary method. That means 8.40 by 12. Is it clear? We solved that type of question in exercise 9C also and in unitary method also, na? So cost price of 1 egg will be rupees 8.40 by 12. Now see, we will calculate the cost price for 100 eggs. Okay, why we will calculate this cost price for 100 eggs? See, read the question. At what price per 100? At what price per 100 must she sell them so as to earn a profit of 15%? Okay, forget about the other part. Read the first part. At what price per 100? That means we need to find the information. It can be profit, it can be profit percent, anything, but in compared to per 100, not per egg, per 100 eggs. That's why we will find the cost price for 100 eggs. So right, therefore cost price of 100 eggs, it will be 8.40 by 12 into 100. Now I think this is clear for everyone, whoever multiplying this with 100. Now we discussed about in unitary method also. Cost price of 1 egg is this much, cost price of 2 egg is this much into 2, cost price of 3 egg is this much into 3. So cost price of 100 eggs will be this much, 8.40 by 12 into 100. Now see what we need to do. Now there is 1 na, so 12 ones are 12. 8.40 into 100. When we are multiplying 8.40 into 100, see here decimal is before 2 digit. When we are multiplying with 100 consisting of 2 zeros, na? So decimal will shift to right side after 2 digits. So it will become 840 by 12. When you solve this, you will get 12 ones are 12, 12 sevens are 84 and 0. So 70. Cost price of 100 eggs is rupees 70. So I think up to this is clear for everyone. We are finding the cost price of 100 eggs. Now see the next part. To earn a profit of 15%. 15% is profit percent. Profit percent is given, na? Profit percent is equal to 15%. Now tell me, profit means what? Profit means selling price will be more as compared to cost price. Is it clear? Profit, that's why profit. And 15%, what is the meaning of 15%? 15 by 100. That means always remember, we will compare this when profit percent or gain percent will give to us in terms of percent. Always remember, we will compare this with cost price of 100. 15% means what? Out of 100, 15. So whenever it is given to us in terms of percent, we will always compare with cost price is equal to 100. That means how we can write this 15%? When cost price is equal 100, when cost price is equal to rupees 100, selling price will be rupees 115. Is it clear? Profit, that means selling price will be more. 15%, that means out of 100, 15 is profit. So cost price is 100, profit is 15, therefore selling price will be rupees 115. Now why we are writing cost price first and selling price later? Because we know the value of cost price. So cost price is known quantity to us and selling price we don't know, unknown quantity. That's why we are writing cost price first. Now we will compare for unit item. When cost price is rupees 1, when cost price is rupees 1, selling price will be 115 by 100. Therefore, when cost price rupees 70, when cost price rupees 70, when cost price rupees 70, selling price will become 115 by 100 into 70. So you can cut 110, then multiply 115 into 7. We will get 805. That means 805 by 10. Since we have cut now 110, 805 by 10. How many 0? 1 0. So decimal will before 1 0. So our answer will rupees 80.50. Therefore, selling price will be rupees 80.50 to gain a profit of 15%. Next, question number 9. A man sold 2 paintings at rupees 924 each. 2 painting and sold. Sold means what? Selling price. Selling price is given for the 2 painting at rupees 924. Same. For the 2 painting, selling price is same. On one he gains 20% and on the other he loses 20%. On the first painting he gains 20%, that means profit 20%, and on the other he loses 20%. How much does he gain or loss in the whole transaction? Now see here, we need to calculate gain or loss, that means profit or loss. So we can calculate this using the formula of profit percentage. Okay, so let's solve this question. You will understand after solving this. First write for the first painting. For the first painting, what will be the selling price? 924. For the first painting, selling price is given. Now sales or sold, that means what? Selling price. Selling price is rupees 924, and what is given? Gains rupees 20%. That means what is given? Gain percent is 20%. Gain means what? Profit. Profit means what? Selling price. Selling price will be more as compared to cost price, since gain. See, gain 20%. Whenever it is written in terms of percent, we will always compare with cost price is equal to 100. Remember, that means cost price is equal to 100, then selling price will get 100 plus 20, 120. See, when that means selling price is equal to 120, cost price will be rupees 100. Now tell me in this question why I am writing selling price first. Because cost price is unknown to us. We know only selling price. That's why we need to calculate cost price. To find the profit, we must need cost price in terms of formula for profit percent also. and in terms of selling price and cost price also. So here we need to calculate cost price. Cost price is unknown to us, so we are writing selling price first. Selling price rupees 120, cost price is rupees 100. Selling price rupees 1, cost price will be 100 by 120. Simply we will divide this number by this one. Now selling price. What is selling price? 924. Cost price will be 100 by 120 into 924. You can simply cut 110. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 32. 6 5s are 30. Remainder 2. 24. 6 4s are 24. So 154 into 5 will get here rupees 770. See, since gain, that means profit, so cost price should be lower than selling price. Yes, we are getting lower value than selling price. Now what will be in this case? Profit. 924 is selling price and cost price is rupees 770. So in this case earning is profit. So profit will be selling price minus cost price. Rupees 924 selling price, rupees 770 cost price. So we will get profit of rupees 154. Now this is for the first painting. Now let's solve for the second painting. For the second painting also selling price is given. Same selling price for both the painting were same. Selling price is rupees 94. Now here loss. If in second painting he acquired loss of 20%, that means loss percentage is 20%. Now tell me, loss means what? Cost price will be more, selling price will be less, then only loss will be acquired. Now 20% will again compare with cost price is equal to 100. Always remember, whenever percentage of loss and profit or gain is written in terms of percentage, you will always compare with cost price is equal to 100. Now see here also selling price is known to us, cost price we need to calculate. So selling price, now selling price will be rupees 80. Since loss mean what? Loss means selling price will be less as compared to cost price. Will compare with respect to cost price is equal to 100. So cost price is 100, loss is 20, so 100 minus 20, selling price will be 80. Next again compare for 1. I am writing this when selling price is 1, rupees 1, cost price will be 100 by 80. Again selling price is given to us 924. Selling price is 924, cost price will be 100 by 80 into 924. Now see, you can cut 110. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So 5 into 2 31. So 5 into 2 31, we will get cost price is equal to rupees 1155. Now in this case selling price is less, cost price is more, therefore loss will be, what is the formula for loss? We'll simply subtract lower number from the greater number. Here cost price is greater and selling price is lower, so 1155 minus 924, you will get loss is equal to rupees 231. Now see, in the second painting loss is 231 and the first painting profit is 154. Now both these paintings were sold by one single man, only by one man. So in first case he earned a profit of rupees 154. In the second case he acquired a loss of rupees 231. Now tell me, profit earned is more or loss acquired is more for the man? Obviously when we are observing the two values 231 and 154, we can simply say that loss acquired by the man is more. So therefore net, what will be the net, loss or profit? Since loss is more as compared to profit, so net earnings will be in terms of loss, right? Since value of loss is greater as compared to profit, so in selling of both the painting you will acquire finally the loss. Next, what will be the loss? What will be the amount of loss? Loss minus profit. That means you will again simply subtract 154 from 231. I am writing here only. Loss minus profit. What is the value of loss? Value of loss rupees 231 and value of profit rupees 154. So here we will get the answer rupees 77. So you will acquire a loss of rupees 77. So I think this question is also clear for you. So here our exercise 9D I am finishing now. You will solve the remaining question and you will ask me if you face any problem. Thank you for today's class.